Today we're doing another random Etsy unboxing. And I say Etsy because I went on to Etsy, I selected planners, and I scrolled through. I think this is like page 50 in the results, and I just picked it out because it looked pretty. So it is the Cosmo planner for 2021. So let's check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings and product reviews on Saturday. So today we are looking at the Cosmo planner, which I believe is a moon planner, at least I hope it is, and that's also partially why I selected it. Now, this moon planner is, or was, $39.76, which I know is an odd number, but I think it's the last of her supply. It was on clearance, so I don't know what the original price is because I went to look it up right before I recorded this video, and she's sold out of them. So all she has left are digital, not even digital, just printables that you can download PDFs of a totally different planner. And then I also paid $15 for shipping because this came from the UK. So it wasn't too bad. In fact, I didn't even notice that it was in the UK until I had already selected it, but that's okay. Let's check it out and see what's inside. I just put some random stickers over here just to cover up my address, but wow, this is a lot of tape. I don't even know how I'm going to open this. So, I mean, I appreciate it so that I guess it doesn't get opened, but now I honestly cannot figure out how to open it. It was one of those things too. Ben offered to open it for me, but I was like, no, I'm doing an unboxing. But maybe I should have just let him open it, because clearly this is not like super beautiful packaging where you're like, I need to see the opening so I don't miss out. All right, okay, we're making progress. Looks like this is a flap. I can just cut this open, which I get it. It's hard to ship things international, especially if you're an Etsy seller. And I do appreciate that she is shipping things internationally. However, I mean, I'm in the US. I would guess most, if not all of her customers are probably US based. I'm just gonna stop cutting and see if I can just pull this out. I cannot pull this out. Hold on. Am I strong enough? I think I'm shaking the camera now. Yeah, I don't even know. It's like I've lost all hand and arm strength ever since the gyms closed down because of COVID. I tried to lift a 5-pound weight yesterday and I was like, oh, phew, this was a workout. It was just so heavy. All right, so we got some shrink wrap here, which kept it nice and safe. Ooh, and then on top of that, we also have some tissue paper with this pretty Cosmo planner sticker. So let's go ahead and open that. And it is just as beautiful on the inside as I thought it would be from what I saw online. So we have some nice gold foiling here, 2021. And let's go ahead. We have an elastic band here. And we have 2 ribbons, which match. So a gold and a black. So let's flip through this Cosmo planner. Oh, wow. She has like a whole copyright thing for, I don't want to say a real book, but usually I only see this in books, not like planners. I usually don't see that. But then I guess that helps her if she wants to sell this on Amazon. Okay, so welcome to Cosmo Planner, and I won't read all of this because it is so long. I have no idea who this is. I think she's just kind of someone who doesn't want to be the face, which is totally fine, like Jennifer Smith or whoever she is. She's just like, this is the Cosmo Planner. All right, here we go. So now we get a breakdown of what we're seeing inside. We have new moon, first quarter moon, full moon, third quarter moon, void of course moon. I actually don't know what that is. Energy levels, Mercury direct, Mercury retrograde, Mercury phase 1, 2, 3, and 4. All times in UTC, GMT. I don't even know what that means. I'm like not good with that. So just so you know, this, if you're having trouble reading this, so am I, even though it's right here in front of me. It's really hard to read. I totally get it for branding, but I can't read this. So I maybe would have gone with a different color just for that. But it still looks pretty. How it works. So I really like that it tells you how to do everything. 4 becomes 2. idea plus plan, planting the seeds, action plus expansion, evaluation plus completion, rest and reward, and the energy can either be growing, increasing forward, contacting, decreasing backwards. So as you know, I'm not really into touchy-feely stuff, but I do like the idea of the moon planner. For example, a 365-day solar cycle. It has 4 stages, seasons, and with the energy in this case, daily light is either increasing, days get longer, or decreasing, days get shorter. Okay. More things about the moon. Oh, here's the void. The VOC moon is the period, can be a few hours or nearly a whole day between the moon making the last aspect, being at a particular angle with the planet or at a particular zodiac sign, and until it leaves the sign and enters another one. That might sound a bit daunting, but you don't need to understand astrological conjunctions to get this. Oh, okay, so this is in astronomy. Now we've moved into astrology. Again, kind of difficult to read over here. How to get started with the planner, the power of 3. Oh, reminds me of the TV show Charmed, not the new one, which I'm not a fan of. I meant the old classic one. Months, weeks, and days. Week, day, and your 2020 review. I mean, great idea, but I don't think any of us want to revisit that year. This is very pretty. Again, it's really difficult to see. In fact, I think maybe she meant, I bet it looked amazing on the computer, but when it printed out, it's just a little dark. I think if she was able to find a printer that had gold foiling, I think this would have looked amazing. So here we go. Vision tree, turning dreams into goals, your bucket list, planning for the year. So a vertical year at a glance. And then, so just, you know, this is hard to keep open. And this happens a lot when you have this kind of binding. Creative space, tips for using the planner. We have plan and commit. So we have January. So it tells you the sign. So it says, I could have swore a Cosmo planner. Yeah, it doesn't really say moon. Maybe I just assumed it was the moon because of all of these moon symbols, but it looks more like an astrological planner. Again, these are so pretty, but they're so hard to read. All right, so you have the week broken down with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then the second row, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then a block over here for notes. And it looks like it just kind of rinse and repeats for the whole month. Set intentions, new moon Capricorn. Maybe that's when Capricorn starts. And then you have those moon things that she mentioned in the beginning. And I think she tells you when you should think about different moon-related thoughts. So here we go. February, release and rebel, Aquarius. And again, tough to read. Monday through Thursday, we have Imbolc, Candlemas, honor, bridge, the goddess of healing and fertility. And set intentions, new moon. So it always tells you when there's a new moon. So it looks like it kind of just does a rinse and repeat. So we have March, April, May. Let's see. I'm going to look at June only because my birthday is in June. And June is Gemini. July, August, September, October, November, December. Oh, now we have new stuff. Okay. So at the end of December, we end on January 2nd of 2022. We go into Deep Dive Moon, Waxing Crescent and Guilbeault, menstrual cycles. What else do we have? Create and expand, release and let go. Mercury cycle 1, Mercury planner. So we have Mercury cycle 2, 3, and that's it. And some blank pages and a side folder pocket. Did I see page numbers? Yeah, and I don't know why. That's kind of random. There's some page numbers here in the back. So I guess if you were wondering how many pages this is. Oh, wait. Yeah, 226, 227, 230. So I guess this is 232 pages, even though I don't think, yeah, the other pages weren't numbered. And that's pretty much it.
So what did you think? I really liked it, even though it had some technical issues, which really
doesn't take away from how well this planner was made and how cute it is. But I think it's a good lesson learned that when you go to print things, you should always get a physical copy and check to see what it looks like on paper in real life versus how it looks on the computer. Because I just know from looking at this, it looked amazing and rock star on her screen. And then when it got sent to an actual printer, it was pretty difficult to read and even more difficult for people to write in or see any of that contrast because the colors were so similar. However, again, for doing a really good job of putting this together, making it look professional, and also just delivering a really great product. So let me know in the comments what you think. And yes, I will keep just randomly selecting things on Etsy. I think the last time I did page 20, this was page 50. So maybe I'll move on to page 100, 150. So we can see what else is out there. So it's just a good example too, that even just because you're like way out in the results doesn't mean that you have a bad planner. It's just sometimes tough with that algorithm. All right, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.